Hello friends, today I am going to discuss like a model for forecasting. What is the forecasting? Forecasting just you can understand. Forecasting means you have a data and you need to manipulate this data and get a results. What happens next month, next year, and next time. So you can predict like a forecasting. So first thing I am applying here some machine learning library. So first I am going to use Python programming language. So and another the import the panda as a PD and import matplotlib dot pyplot as a PLT. But we need to create a data. So I am creating a data. One is the year, another is the price, and just after that, look here. One data it has been created as a years, and another data is as a price. So one is after that we use pandas construct to data frame. So data as a PD dot data frame, and it looks like a parenthesis, and I am creating like a dictionary. Okay, so years as a years, price as a price, and data head. So look here, it is a working. So first I can start from here, and this one has been created here. So look like this. Yeah, I am working as a Google Colab. So because it provides RAMs and other disks. So look here, we can also take the RAMs till 12 GB. Okay, so now it has been done. Now I am creating a data. So my data look like this, year, price, and I want to plot AX will equal to data dot PLT dot line X represent as a year, and AX dot set underscore title copy price over a time, font size as I have given, and PLT dot show. So look here, data look like this is a way to creating a data. Again similarly I want to create the another data. So seasons, it has a given spring and summer, autumn. So as a like a similarly the second data is also autumn and winter. So it has been created as a 4 quarter. Another is the price, and now I am going to create a data PD dot data frame seasons price as a price. Now AX will equal to data dot plot dot line X will equal to seasons, and AX dot set underscore titles hot chocolate price over and font size, and now the AX dot set xticks levels like this. So let's see, it is here. Now it has been created, and this has been seen like this. Rotation 45 means this x-axis spring 98, it has been looking like this. Now another, just as in the previous example, just we can predict the prices of the hot chocolate and easily. So now using the past data on the hot chocolate price, and the prices depends on only the influence by any explanatory variables. So same just quarters has been given, sales data I have been created, and now the new data frames, it is looking like this way. So in this data, look here now. So one columns it contains the quarter, another is sales. So data look like this. So quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, and similarly the 2019 there are 4 quarters and 20 is also the 4 quarter. Now I want to show look like x-axis and the y-axis, so it can represent, this is a way to represent this term, sales and price. Similarly you can create the another data look like this, quarter, sales, discount, advertising. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 variables has been given, and now the data has been created like this. Okay, now I am going to plot here, plot the data dot plot lines x as x-axis represent as quarters, ax dot set underscore title sales per quarter, font size 16, and ax dot set x ticables, ax dot get x ticable parenthesis and rotation 45, and similarly HA as in the right side, and plt dot show. So look here, it looks like this is a way to sales, discount and advertising, all has been plotted. So now these are the way we can create one data, and you can plot these data. So you can take a depend on the total number of the variables. So I have already taken the 4 variables, and we can represent these things. So next, most of the graph, so this gives a graph display like a figure, and suddenly observe very clear the relationship between the 3 variables and 2 variables. So in the above we have already discussed, so how do we can see the sales, discount and advertising, so we can easily predict the relationships of these variables. Correlations coefficient, so sometimes we can also get a correlations. The correlations means we can correlate as 2 and more variables. So look here, here are 3 variables, sales, discount and advertising. If correlations is 1, this is called plus 1 is a positive correlations, and if it represent as a -1, it is negative correlations. So look here, what is cells in the row and column also cells, so it represents the 1, so between cells and cells it represents a 1, so it is a positive correlations. Similarly look here, all are positive correlations, but correlations between discount and sales is a less correlations. Okay, others compare whenever the others. So correlations coefficient is the always between -1 and 1. So now another, you can also just model evaluations for forecasting. So you can see the different strategy for evaluating, like a machine learning models in a general and a specific way. So how to predict a stock price in the next times, because we have already the price till today, and what happens tomorrow and day after tomorrow, yeah, it may be the month and after that month, yeah, year and that year. So I try to discuss in next class, next video. but I hope you can easily understand these terms. Thank you.